guys, what's going? It's been a long time to see, isn't it? This is JIMACHANNEL, you know? Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. I'm so excited. Why am I excited? Because of my trip. This trip. I decided to go to Cebu Island. You know Cebu Island? In the Philippines. Cebu Island has a beautiful beach and beautiful skies and beautiful whale watching and sharks. We can swim with the sharks in the beautiful sea. Why did you choose the Philippines? That's a good question. Actually, I wanted to go to Thailand or Vietnam to eat pho. Do you know pho? Like a rice noodle. It's so nice. But I think in Thailand, for example in Thailand, they speak Thailand language only. In Vietnam, they speak Vietnam language only. But Philippines, there are two official languages. One is Tagalog language and the other one is English. That's why I decided to go to Philippines. The flight ticket is just a little cheap, I think. From Narita Airport to Maktan Cebu Airport, it costs 40,000 yen about total. Go and back. I think it's a little cheap. The purpose of this visit, there are two reasons, there are two purposes of this visit. Let's introduce. One is to speak English, to use English more and more. I'm learning English by using online English lessons and I'll try it in Philippines. In Japan, there are few opportunities to speak English, but if I go to foreign countries, I need to speak English. I want to go. The other reason, number two, is to know another country's cultures, traditions, and so on. I want to know how to live there in their countries, how to live and where they are living and what they are eating and what they are drinking. I want to know. I'm very interested in it. Okay, I'm very looking forward to going to another country. Okay, I'll try it. Don't be afraid if I use wrong grammars in English and wrong words in English, but I don't mind. Don't be afraid. Okay, don't be afraid. Let's go.
たしました。第2ターミナル8番バス停到着です。第
Shut up.